Hey everybody, just wanted to show this video of my aviary. We got 4 birds in this aviary. We have the Timna African Gray, my hawk-headed parrot, this is Herky, and this is Tweak, the blue-fronted Amazon. He has his beak broke off when he was a baby. But yeah, this is their little aviary. We got the structure is a carport. We cropped for my 3rd floor. We got a big old palm in here. And then we got one more bird back here. This is Petey Myers. He flies over as he pleases. And this is Herky that just flies back and forth. I'm going to start posting more videos of the hawkheads because there's not a lot out there. So, look forward to them.